Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make coquito, a very famous drink for the holidays. This drink also contains alcohol, but I will not be doing that in this video. I'm just keeping it family friendly. And now you're just going to add all the ingredients into the blender. There's no right way of doing this. You could just add them in whatever order you would like. And let all the ingredients blend in high speed for at least 2 to 3 minutes. After that, store the coquito into a glass or plastic container into the refrigerator for 2 to 8 hours. Now this step is optional, guys. You can add some whipped cream and some cinnamon on top. And there you have it, the delicious coquito drink, perfect for the holidays. I hope you guys try it and like it as much as I do. And until next time, I'll see you guys on my next video. Happy holidays.